At Canyon High School, physics class literally ends with a splash. Every year, physics students face the ultimate challenge, constructing a boat made solely of cardboard and duct tape, and racing it across the school swimming pool and back without sinking. It's part of Canyon's long-standing tradition, the physics boat race. Students apply what they've learned all year about buoyancy, force, and motion to design a boat that floats, holds a classmate, or even a brave teacher, and moves quickly. The race isn't just about winning, it's about teamwork, real-world STEM learning, and school spirit. Students spend hours engineering their boats, and the entire campus comes out to cheer them on. The crowd's energy is electric, and the support from fellow students is unforgettable. For many, it's a highlight of their time at Canyon, and some students even take physics just to compete. The Canyon Physics Boat Race is more than a science project, it's a memory in the making.